Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that he said to his father, "You may stay here because you may be prevented from Allah's house for the absence of peace time." He said, "In this case, I would do the same as Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, 'You have the best in the following of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I make you witness that I have enjoined me the Umrah and put on the ihram for the Umrah.' Then he went out, and when he was at Baida, he put on the ihram for the Hajj and the Umrah and said, 'The Hajj and Umrah are the same.' Then he bought the sacrificial animal from Qudayd. When he reached, he performed only circumambulation for the both and did not take off the ihram until he performed both the Hajj and Umrah." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1693.